Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh, and in this episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh, we will be unboxing the Tomica Premium Garage Black Edition, but this is not from Tomica. This is a supplier for Tomica that I found on Amazon, which you can get it for $39.99. $39.99 from Amazon. Here is the brand that supplies Tomica for this Tomica Garage Premium Black Edition. So you can also find this on eBay, but for a higher price. And once I found this on Amazon and compared it to the actual Tomica product, it is literally the same thing. So let's go ahead and take a look around the box. So here is the presentation. Pretty simple presentation, nothing too unique. Here you have voice control, you have recessed lighting. This is the electric edition. So we will find out how this is operated. This is meant for ages 14 and up. Here on the top side of the box, here you can see what you can have inside as the backgrounds, and here's the bottom side of the box. The bottom side of the box talks about two power supply modes. Here you have you can buy multiple garages and have them arranged side by side, as you can see in the illustration, the same illustration that I found on Tomica's garage. And here's the back side of the box. So the back side of the box tells you that there are 3 different options. I chose the black garage with the white doors, and here each of these garages have different types of backgrounds that you can swap out. And here you have the illustration on how to operate this thing. Turn on the top switch, touch the up key, or you can use your voice to open up the garage doors. So I am super excited to have this in my hands. Here are the sides of the box and the other side of the box with different color garages. And yeah, so let's go ahead and take out our trusty X-Acto knife and finally unbox this electric garage. So when I was scrolling on Amazon, I happened to found this on Amazon, and once I noticed the similarities compared to the actual Tomica garage, I really had to get this thing and to see if this is like the actual Tomica product. So I basically, to sum it up, I basically found the supplier for Tomica that made this Tomica Premium Garage. So once we pull it out of the box, here the first thing that we see are cutouts of the backgrounds, which we will take a look later. But here are the cutouts made out of cardboard, cardstock paper, that is. We'll try that out. And here is the actual garage. Pretty unique. And here you have the window, and this is meant for 1:64 scaled die-cast vehicles. And here is the power supply. You can have this powered by USB Type-C or three AA batteries. And yeah, so let's go ahead and remove the wrapper. So let's go ahead and remove the plastic wrap and check a closer look at this garage. And yeah, so let's go ahead and pick this up and take a closer look. Really love the clean design. I really like the white color options. Here you have these extra details that is embossed on to the garage, and here is your buttons, which is more of a touch capacitive buttons, and here is your switch to turn on the power supply. So as we take a look on this side of the garage here, you can take a peek of what is inside, and here's the back side of the garage, which you have your power source. You can use a USB-C cable connected to a charger, or you just use batteries. Let's go ahead and lift the top part of the garage and see what it looks like underneath. Here you have 8 LED lights that is recessed, and here you have your slots where you can swap out the backgrounds. So let's go ahead and take a look at this piece of paper, which is going to be your electric garage instruction manual. Pretty detailed instruction manual. You can place up to 4 vehicles in your garage. Here it teaches you how to use the power supply mode, and yeah, so this comes with a USB-A to USB-C cable, which I'm going to actually use this to operate the garage. And this cable here, I believe that this cable is used if you want to connect a second garage or a third garage. And here is the surface of the garage, which we will take a look at it later. But let's go ahead and take a look at these background cutouts. Here's the first option of the background, where you can swap in and swap out. Here is the second option, which is all black, and really like how it's cardstock. And here is the third option of the background cutouts, and yeah, you can swap and arrange it on your preference. So here is my garage. It is being connected to a portable charger, and let's go ahead and turn this on, and all you have to do is just touch, and you would open up the garage and the lights would come on. And these aren't buttons, but it is one of those touch capacitive buttons. So here we are. We will be unboxing the Honda NSX Type S, the Nissan Fairlady C, and the Toyota GR Supra to store in this electric garage. Let's press the touch capacitive button, and here's a closer look at the Honda NSX, or Acura NSX in the US market. Really love the details from Tomica. Let's place it in there. Here's the second car, which is the Nissan Fairlady C. Really love the paint job and the fine details, something that is unique about Tomica. Let's place that in the middle. And for my third car, the Toyota Supra GR. Really love the fine details from Tomica. And yeah, you can always store one more car on the right side. And let's go ahead and close this up. So that will do it for this episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh. If you like this video, please give this video a super huge thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below on what you think about this electric garage. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure to check out my other YouTube content that is on this channel. And thank you for watching Unbox with Alex Trinh. And I'll definitely see you on the next one.